If you intend to buy an iPad from STC, don't waste time. In this video, I will explain the entire process from choosing the device to completing the order. Let's start directly with the steps. We will go to My STC, then at the bottom we will click on the store, and after that we will scroll down. Of course, you have a lot of products, iPads, phones, home devices, everything. Therefore, we will shop according to the order we want. We will go to the tablet section, and then, of course, all types of iPads and tablets will appear. We will select Apple at the top, and you will see all the devices and versions of the iPad. Of course, I will choose the iPad Air M4 2026, the latest version. It's available in several colors, purple, yellow, and green. I chose purple. I will select one device, and the screen size will be 11 inches, and you also have 13 inches. You can order it with a pen if you only want Wi-Fi or if you wanted to have a SIM card slot. And we have storage capacity. You will choose the storage capacity you want. Then you will choose to pick it up from the branch or have the device delivered according to your preference, and choose the nearest branch to you where the device is actually available. It will show you on Google Map or Map Google which branches and how many devices are left. After that, there are payment methods. You can pay the full amount or pay in installments with STC Bank, or get the device for free depending on your number or contract. I ordered it as a contract on my number. Of course, it will be without a down payment. You can set the monthly amount, and according to how many months for the installment, you have from 1 year to 1.5 years to 2 years. Of course, if you go below a certain amount, a down payment will be required. After that, we will click on Continue. You will be asked if you want protection, a protection plan for the device. Then you will see the price details, the value of the device, whether there is a down payment or not, the installment period, and the monthly installment amount. Of course, this includes the added tax. After that, we will click on Continue. You will add your mobile number. After that, an activation code will be sent to this phone. We will add the email address. Finally, the price details, the device, everything, and the contract details, including its duration and price, will appear. You agree to the terms and privacy, and then you click on Submit your request. A screen will easily appear showing that your request has been received. If you encounter any problem or have a question, write it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Successful Adiba for more technical tutorials.